Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very impressive bounce on this one, especially when you consider that just on the morning, the price was all the way down there, yet the price ultimately closed up there. Now, granted, that last 30 minutes was pretty shaky, but still, relatively speaking, from where the price was at its lows to where it ultimately closed, nice solid move. But that does bring about the more than valid question moving forward of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves on a single area, and that area down here at 327.50. Now, why is that area so important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to that level, behave in that manner, then continue on down, what would you have at that point? Well, you would quite literally have the price right back to where it was at these lows. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but a price movement that bounces very nicely and then all of a sudden goes right back to where it was. Not exactly a sign of genuine power or true strength. But I mean, to be fair, no price can go straight up. So I mean, maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, now all of a sudden you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress, again, being defined as 327.50. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, it's all about the purple line right there. It's on my chart denotes the very well known, the very famous 50-period moving average. Current value of that is at the 333.88 mark. So let's just call it 338 or 333.85, give or take right around there. But that's going to be the main battleground to watch moving forward. So all in all, yeah, definitely a nice bounce today. Not just a question of can the price continue to build upon the bounce moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.